Hello friends, today we are going to again solve array problem. If you see in this problem, we have given one set of value, right? We have given this set of value and we have to find total number of consecutive occurrence of even number, right? If you will see in question they mentioned that you have to change this program so that it finds the number of sequence of consecutive even number that are length greater than or equal to 3. It means that we have to find how many times consecutive even number are occur which consecutive length is greater than or equal to 3. If you will see here in this program, 36 even number, 42 and 62, these three are all are even number. It means the total number of continuously consecutive number even number is that 3. So we will count 1. Next time we have got one odd number, so we will let it. Again we will get even number, but this time this even number is comes only 2 times, so this is less than 3, so we will let it, skip it. Next time we will go odd number. This time again we have been even number, so we will count 1 2 3. We have continually find 3 even numbers, so we will increment our count. So our here first time our count is 1, again our count will be 2, and whenever user will enter -1, we will start we will end the process of taking number from user and we will return the display the total number of this consecutive even number. So this is 2, so we have to write program for printing this 2, right? In explanation they have also mentioned that this is because there are 3 consecutive of even numbers here, right? And 2 of them are length of greater length 3 or more, right? You can see that because this is all 66 and 26 also this consecutive even number, but is length is less than 3, that's why we will not count it, right? So let's program for it. First we have to create one scanner class so that we can take input from user, right? Scanner c is equal to new scanner system.in, and we will create one num variable so that we can take input from user, right? And we will create one result variable. In result we will start 0 in starting, and we have also create one variable so that we can count consecutive number. So we will create one variable consu even, right? And in start we will put 0. So let's start loop. We will start loop, infinite loop, and we will use break for, right? Break for ending this loop. So what we will do, right? Here we will take value in num variable, right? So c.next int, it will take it will take number from user, right? And here we will check if this num %2 is equals 0, then what we will do, we will increment the consecutive even variable, right? Then we will increment the consecutive even value. And when we will not find this in else condition, right? So when we will get when we will get any odd number, right? So what we will do, first we will check if our this variable is greater than, right, greater than equal to 3, then we will increment our result, right? And after result we will, what we will do, whenever we will get any odd number, we will make this consecutive even as 0, right? And after this loop we have check if our num is equals -1, we will use break, right? Sorry, break. And after going outside from this loop, we will print total number of result, right? So print, and we have count variable which is going, result variable which is going to store the total number of this occurrence. So we will print result, right? So let's run this program. We will see our example. They have mentioned this number 36, 42, 61. So let's enter this all number. So when we will run this program, we'll take a number. So first we will, let's print that. So we will enter 36, suppose 42, right, 62, 121, right, 66, 26, 371, any number, 661, space 6, 4, 8, and here we will enter -1. So you can see that our result is 2, because here this is our consecutive number of even number whose length is more greater than or equal to 3, and this is the another last one, right? So let's run this program again, and we will put another input, like we will put 4, 5, 6, right? minus 1. So you can see that here we have only one consecutive number of even which size is greater than equal to 3, so it will print 1, right? You can see that. So this is our program, right? So thank you so much.